So we are in hotel, or not hotel, we are in the airport. No, I'm kidding. We just abandoned the guys with their loading because we cold, tired and hungry. So we're going to my room to get the jacket. Check if the door open. If not, I'll open it.
Stay tuned. Clickbait might be naked Kitochi.
Yeah, clickbait. Yeah, might be naked Kitochi, but
stay tuned.
Okay, so now we're
just grabbing all into the shower.
We begin the journey to Helsinki Messukeskus Assembly.
It's 8:01 in the morning, at least according to the cars.
So it's 8 AM and it's gonna be a over 6-hour drive to Helsinki, and others are going by train. Me and Hegemony are going with the van with our stuff. We have PCs, screens, TVs, we have everything in our back. Hello, we in Kuopio Matkus and we are going to IKEA.
We've been driving for
2 hours.
2 hours 15 minutes.
And we are here in IKEA and we are gonna go eat some
Brunch.
Yeah, it's kind of brunch, but it's IKEA, so you know, it's not gonna be like it's gonna be. Hello, we back. Quick stop, getting some Arnold's, some cocoa, and
I'm in love with the cocoa.
I got some coffee and a cinnamon bun at Heinola ABC.
Heinola ABC restaurant. We just stop here for a quick minute and we will be heading back. See you soon.
See you.
Some good ass monster. And then what do we have here? Some more monster. And then a fucking monster mini fridge. Oh shit.
What's up? We have finally arrived to the train that's gonna take us to heaven.
yes.
Oh yeah.
Run that back.
Wait a minute. Go right. There, freeze that.
Full screen. What's up, gamers?
You lose some people. Hey, hello. Where did Yasmin go? You lost her or what?
baby, what's up?
I mean, I don't know whose stuff we have at the back of the car then, so.
What's up, baby?
We were first.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Pick W.
We were first even.
Because we have to wait for which?
They survived.
Yeah, but then again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you eat something?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh.
We out here.
What is that? Well, this is how we avoid the rush hour.
How was the journey?
It was good.
This one! one mistake. Smoke weed every day.
Good morning. It is 7:25 and everyone else is eating breakfast. Meanwhile, we are still putting on clothes. Yeah, it's gonna be a long day, but a fun one.
Yes.
Some Valorant and some booth action for me, some VMix action, and some, let's see, some casting action on.
From the booth.
But yeah, we will be heading downstairs for breakfast and see you there.
I woke up like 20 times last night, and then she had her alarm clock on, and she had whatever dog was in English.
Snooze.
Yeah, snooze. So I got up at 6:30 today.
How you feeling, Heikki? Day 2.
Ready.
Let's go.
Ready. Woken up early.
Feeling fresh.
Feeling fresh, feeling energetic. Still kind of like, my head is still a bit on the sleepy, but I'm sure that once the Valorant starts,
Get the hype.
once I get the headset on,
Nothing but energy.
the bright lights flashing, I'm gonna be like,
What do you think, Tino? Day 2?
Yeah, some cold shower in the morning, good breakfast, ready for today. I will almost be at the whole day at the booth. I only have one spot.
We don't have to worry about the Valorant tournament, so that's
I don't
blessed.
have to worry about the Valorant tournament. Yesterday was a fiasco, but it was only because of the internet. It was not our fault.
Ooh, assembly internet.
Assembly, aye.
I'm gonna actually hand it to you. Here, write it to yourself. I will see it.
Sure. Pretty boys and girls. But mostly
Namaste.
there's the magic gums. Exactly. See you later, alligators. So while everyone is working in a bloody sweat, me and Alexander, we found the reason that we have a necessary business in the city, but we're actually going to sleep. Any ideas? How we can be so genius? No idea. Well, I'll show you more later. As you can see, we are like in the middle of our very important business. I think next time I'll be live like in 1 hour. So we made out of the hotel. On our way to our first point. Not sure exactly where the tram stop, but I have like good feeling that we're gonna enjoy our trip. There's some sun, there's some construction works, and it is supposed to be all good. Nikita, where are you going? So we just went our trip into the city. Now we're coming back to our booth. Hopefully Richard not mad at me because he asked me to be a half hour before. But it's okay, come on.
We got to smack these boys. They come here late, middle of Helsinki, probably drinking alcohol. Live on camera, these m***ers are late to assembly. Stupid.
I am assembly. Who could have started that?
What is this? I would have gave it to you, but you're late. I don't know.
these are mine, Richard, these are mine. I was doing our work. If you can, hey, I got people hunting the little guys, and these are not mine. You want from them.
You can have.
What the?
I'm hungry. We got some naan. You hungry? Okay.
Tap it on the table.
What's up, guys? My name is Autogen,
Oh my god, what is that?
or Camille Sebastian, as you guys know me. I have Nebis and Jasmine with me. If you guys like to introduce yourselves.
Hey guys, it's Jasmine. I'm also known as Maybe Alexandra on Twitch. Hello, I'm Nebis.
And she also streams.
Yeah,
so
also is.
we're all part of KAMKGG as influencers, and I'm a brand manager there. As you guys can see, there's some sort of competition happening inside the big room, which is the main stage. Main stage, right?
Quite the main stage.
I don't know what they're doing. Is it like a cosplay contest? Could be cool. Could we go check that out soon? Nikito, here we have Los Nikitos.
Los Sebastian.
Want to introduce yourself, bro? The camera phone's right here.
I am just a visitor of this lovely event. No idea.
Yeah, for sure, bro.
I just walk in there and I see my friends around, and I think it's some opportunity for you.
Just to talk. Ketochik is being Ketochik.
Yeah,
Just kidding. Do you speak English?
No, sorry, I don't speak English.
Excuse me, can I speak English? You? Me?
No English.
Suomea vaan sitten.
Suomea vaan.
Joo.
Suomea vaan puhuu pelkästään.
So now we found Nami, one of the featured content creators of KAMKGG, and we will be heading to one of the booths to play some Nerf. Pew pew.
Yeah, hello everyone, I'm Nami Sugoi. I do cosplay and other kind of stuff. Usually cosplay, but I might play some scary games sometimes, so check me out. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys so much for watching our video today. I hope you guys enjoyed the time with the featured content creators of KAMKGG, and I hope you guys have an amazing time. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for maybe the next upload.
Yeah,
have a good day.
you.
We have our full stream set up for Valorant here. And then here, we have a rap show. What are your thoughts on this? We're trying to stream a Valorant tournament here. We have a rap show going on. What the hell is this?
Richard, what do we got? What do we have here?
This is our main stage.
Hell yeah, dude.
Finals.
We got Neon Cat just chilling. The Valorant main stage final is gonna be here. This is gonna be dope. Look how many spots though. Oh my god. KAMKGG team when? To come and compete, bro? Hell yeah. That's where I wanna be one day. Fuck yeah. Shit.
Okay, well guys, we're gonna give away some free stuff. Look at this! Woohoo!
When you want to pack with
Where you belong, a cage. Mom, look, monkey in the car. I'm filming, you guys are struggling. Dope stuff. So we got a lot of things being packed. Most of our panels next to us already have left. Very professional of them. We took our sweet time because I was not here. I was doing a podcast more or less. But like, look at this man's.
We're out of here.
Confused, the cogwheels are not spinning. Everything is empty, they're closing down. Assembly is getting closed. I don't know about you guys, but the E-Way there's 3 of them? Yeah, there's 3 of them. We're hoping that Richard win one of them so that you can film epic content coming to the office. Really? Bro, that's huge. Oh no, hide that. Censor it. But yeah, anyway, the day's coming to an end. Logitech, gyms, game, cave, all that good stuff. The Japanese arcades, all that's gone. Empty trash bin. Yes, a lot of stuff. As we end today's final day of packing, we're gonna call it off with a nice lunch
or I don't know if it's gonna be lunch. Yeah, it is gonna be lunch at Taco Bell, where we can soothe the chalupas.
Oh, you're also coming?
Yeah, of course I'm also coming. Look at this guy. How handsome are you? What you gonna say, bro? Did you like assembly?
Yeah, that was actually cool, but I'll say it was a great first experience.
Hell yeah, bro. Here for more to come.